Buongiorno and welcome back to Locanda Demetra. Since many of you have asked us how to prepare a tomato sauce, today we realize a classic base of tomato sauce useful to realize different very classic Italian recipe such as Bolognese or a pizza base or una matriciana, for example.
Yes, you can choose to use it straight away, or you can even keep it in a jars and use it for even a year. Here the ingredients: 2 kilograms of San Marzano tomato, a few leaves of basil. We also need a serrator knife, a vegetables meal, a large pot, a chopping board, and a few jars. Remember always to wash your vegetables before to start. I already did it, and so I just cut it in two parts, like this, and I place it in a pot.
Meanwhile, Emanuela, she's doing that. I start to sterilize the jars in water and I let it boil for at least 15 minutes. Of course, jars and lids as well.
Now I place it on a medium flame and I let it cook for 10-15 minutes, or anyway until you can see that are soft enough.
Of course, 10-15 minutes because we've got 2 kilograms of tomato. It always depending about the amount. So sauce ready and jars as well. So I want to place them.
At this point we need just to pass the tomato with a food mill to obtain the sauce.
And this is important to remove all seeds and the skin, because we need just the sauce, of course. This is something, this smell remind me my childhood. My great grandparents used to prepare the sauce for the family and for the year, and now we have to do it. We're getting old.
You can see that the sauce that we obtain is very liquid, so that's why we need to let it cook a little bit
More,
after,
yes.
to let all of the water inside evaporate.
We're gonna pour that sauce back inside the pot and we place it on the fire a little bit more on a low flame, actually, yes, or
medium flame.
A little bit more because the sauce, as you can see, still very watery, so we need to let it more thick. Of course, remember, this is a base. Have you seen we didn't add any extra virgin olive oil, any herbs, so after, when you decide to create a Bolognese, a Ragù or a pizza sauce, you can add your favorite herbs such as basil or thyme, oregano, even mix them together, whatever you like.
the sauce is ready, it's thick enough, so
Okay.
I can switch it off the flame and we can finally put it in our jars.
Of course, now they're sterilized and dried completely. So we can pour the sauce in jars, of course helping yourself using a funnel.
And maybe we can add a few leaves of basil. I love basil, but of course, as Alessandro said to you, you can use even oregano.
Smell of summer.
Tac.
The second one. Leaves of basil. And remember to fill it up the jar until the shoulder, of course. So until here you can see.
And always keep the jar clean very well. Here, especially here around.
Outside, yes, before to close it. Now, prepare a large pot with water. Place your jar in it. And you can see that I also prepare a towel because so they can't shake too much meanwhile they boil.
Bravo.
Okay, ready to boil?
We boil our jars for 40 minutes and we let them to cool down inside the water.
Okay, and so as you can see, they're ready. And so we can keep them even for 1 year. Ready. Now you know how to prepare your own tomato sauce. And remember, if you like this video, smash like, and if you haven't done yet, consider subscribing.
And Ale, thanks to our followers.
Yes, this is very important. Thanks for your support and for your donation on our crowdfunding campaign. Thank you very, very much. And thanks also to the ones that bought our wine. Arrivederci to the next video. Ciao!
Ciao!